close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast. This is lovey and rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see lovey and rose. When you press me to your heart, I am in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seems to turn to love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be lovey and rose.
Cici and Alfred. From this day on, you have chosen each other as partners in life, to live with and to laugh with, to stand by each other's side and rest in each other's arms. You have pledged your life and love to one another for all the days that lie ahead. Acknowledge the changes in your existence and celebrate your commitment to a strong, aware relationship. May your love touch and enrich all those with whom you come in contact. Cici and Alfred, I do now pronounce you husband and wife.
When you press me to your heart, I am in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seems to turn to love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be lovey and